Hello, everyone. If you have not posted your Vincent van Gogh picture to the classroom stream and turned it in for full credit, please make sure to do so. Now, we should already know how to turn in our assignments, but if you do not remember how to post pictures to the classroom stream, here's what you can do. First thing you are going to do is you are going to click Share Something with your class. I am going to post what I would like to say, and then I am going to click Add. I am going to click Google Drive, if my picture is in my Google Drive, My Drive, and I am going to scroll down the picture I want. Now, if your picture is not in Google Drive, you can click Add, File, and perhaps your picture is on your computer. In that case, you can click Select Files from your device and go to wherever your picture might be. Easy peasy. Feel free to email me with any questions. Thanks, guys.